In this video, we're going to show you the incredible atmosphere at Spotify Camp Nou, where around 62,000 fans are now filling the stadium after the opening of Gol Norte. And honestly, the place already looks absolutely amazing. Barcelona also delivered a fantastic 5-2 victory over Sevilla, with Raphinha stealing the show with a brilliant hat-trick and João Cancelo playing a key role in attack, while Gavi made his emotional return from injury, sending the crowd into a huge celebration. And if Camp Nou looks this impressive with 62,000 supporters, just imagine the atmosphere when the stadium is fully completed and 105,000 fans fill every seat. Now that we've talked about the match and the incredible atmosphere, today we're also going to show you some amazing construction progress happening around Camp Nou, giving you a closer look at how the stadium is transforming day by day. At the same time, construction continues to move forward quickly, with the third tier of Camp Nou progressing day by day and expected to be completed next week. Now, let's move inside the stadium for the latest construction progress. One of the most impressive areas right now is the main dressing room, which is close to completion. The new space at Spotify Camp Nou is clearly larger and far more modern than the temporary facilities currently used by the players. This upgrade will provide the squad with the world-class environment they truly deserve. Most of the structural and interior work has already been completed, with only a few final touches remaining. At the diamond area of the future store, all 6 glass panels are now installed, including those above the door that were missing before. Workers are finishing upper details, and the entrance looks much more complete. This update gives a clear idea of how the store will look once finished. Scaffolding remains in place as crews add finishing touches around the frame. Gol Sur stands are advancing fast, with prefabricated seating rows for the third tier being installed. The overall shape of the stand is clearly visible, though seats and roof elements still need to be added. The structure could be completed soon at this pace. Workers continue coordinating the placement of panels and ensuring proper alignment throughout the tier. Cranes and lifting platforms continue moving structural materials into position. Tubes are being installed on concrete walls, likely for ventilation or internal systems. Work also continues around the elevator structures, with multiple platforms active. Ceiling panels, or llamas, are being installed across the false ceiling area and are nearing the end of one section. Earlier progress was slower due to beam painting, but now installation is much faster. Workers are completing the panels steadily across the structure. The coordination between painting and installation has helped accelerate the work. A massive structural piece called a riostra was lifted by the tower crane today. It didn't fit perfectly at first, so workers lowered it to make adjustments. The element will be reinstalled once properly aligned, showing the complexity of the work. Teams on the ground are preparing the exact fitting points before the next lift. This riostra is an enormous steel element, likely weighing several tons. It may be one of the largest pieces lifted since stadium construction updates began. Watching the crane move, it really shows the scale of the project. Engineers are closely monitoring the lift to ensure safety and precision during placement. Workers continue building platforms and structural supports in front of sandwich panels. Finishing work is progressing in several other areas simultaneously. Teams are also inspecting connections and supports to ensure the structure is secure. Near Gol Norte corner, scaffolding and structural beams remain visible. Workers are assembling upper sections, and some anchoring points are installed. Other areas are waiting for additional components before further installation can continue. Crews are coordinating deliveries of materials to avoid delays. In Gol Norte Central, the stadium screen and decorative vinyl panels are already installed and operational. Workers finish details in this zone while crews continue structural work around the elevator areas within the scaffolding. The area is being prepared carefully to ensure smooth operation for upcoming matches. Today's tour shows steady progress across the stadium, from Gol Sur's third tier to massive structural elements at Gol Norte. Construction is moving forward quickly. If you enjoyed this update, like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou updates. We'll be back soon with the next tour. See you in the next video.